Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, the house of beauty. So guys, in today's video I'm going to make a facial cream for one of my bestie. So guys, this facial cream I will be using watermelon. Yeah guys, because watermelon is so soothing to the skin, it's so good to the skin, and it contains a lot of vitamins and it contains a lot of minerals. So guys, I'll be using the liquid because you all know that lotion contains two major phases, which is the water phase and the oil phase. So I'll be using my watermelon juice in replace of my normal water. So guys, I'm just going to juice this liquid out. Yeah guys, I'm just going to juice it out, and I'll be using the liquid to make my facial cream guys. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Okay beauties, I'm just going to walk you through my ingredients and the things I'll be using. And I will be using rose water to dissolve my powders. So guys, you can use normal water, and also I'm adding carrot oil, papaya oil, yeah guys, and I'm adding lemon oil, I'm adding turmeric oil, and orange glycerin, amphor oil, my tea tree essential oil. So guys, these oils that I'm using, they are so good when it comes to your face. If you're fighting scars, wrinkles, if you're fighting pigmentations, these oil are so good because this oil, they are all plant oil. Yeah guys, they are all plant-based oil. So guys, I'm using Allantoin powder, yeah guys, and then I'm using niacinamide powder, which is vitamin B3 powder. So I'm using my Arbutin powder, and the powder I showed you guys before earlier, that was my Glutathione powder. So I'm adding my vitamin E oil also. So this is my watermelon juice, and this is my shea butter, stearic acid, and EWAS. I'm just going to melt this, and I'm still going to get my water to hot, which is my juice. Yeah, I'm going to get it to hot also. So guys, make sure to work in a clean environment. Spray your working place to avoid dust. Yeah guys, to avoid any dirt, and make sure to wear gloves. Yeah guys, I'm just going to dissolve this, and from there we are going to start mixing. So guys, this is it. This is my melted oils and butter, and this is my liquid also. So that is it guys. So what I'm going to do is just to measure out my oils, my other liquid oil, and I'll be using 20 ml each of my oil. Yeah guys, I'll be using 20 ml each of my oil. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free. You're not paying any money. Just subscribe to show some love, and leave your comments below. Share this video. So you can add me up on Facebook, Ada Beauty, Ada Skincare. Sorry guys, Ada Skincare, and my Facebook page is Ada's Beauty, and my Instagram page is Ada_Chekuse. Yeah guys, make sure to contact me if you want to ask me any personal question. Yeah guys, just contact me, write me up, and in a jiffy I'm going to respond to your question and every other thing. Yeah guys, so I'm just going to add this oil into my wax, and we're going to mix it. So guys, I added my oils and my water phase together. Yeah, that is what I did. I added them together. Guys, papaya oil is so good. Papaya oil is so good. And yeah guys, make sure to check my playlist and you're going to see how I make my papaya oil, my carrot oil, my turmeric oil. Just check my playlist. I have so many interesting video for you. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do is just to give this a stir. Yeah guys, you can use your hand mixer, but I don't want to use my hand mixer at the beginning because I'm trying to avoid any bubbles. Yeah, I'm trying to avoid any bubbles. I don't want any bubbles floating on top of this facial cream. So guys, what I'm going to do next is just to go and dissolve my powders, and I'm going to dissolve it with rose water like I said earlier. So guys, this is pure organic. The fruit that I used is organic, and my oils that I did myself, even the ones I bought, they are also organic. So don't allow anybody to deceive you like the way I'm making this. And some people will come and add tube to it, or they will come and add different type of serum, or they will come and add this to it, add that to it, and call it organic. That is no longer organic, guys. Don't be deceived. That is promising. It's no longer organic. So if you know what you are using on your product and you know you bought them organic, yeah, you can call it organic, but you cannot be using different products which is that is already made and you combine them to your own product and call them organic. That is a big lie. That is promising. It's no longer organic. So guys, now I'm going to add my Allantoin powder. Yeah guys, because I did not dissolve my Allantoin powder with my other powders. Allantoin powder is very difficult to dissolve with water, so I did not dissolve my Allantoin powder with other powders. So guys, I'm just still going to give it a little bit stir. This facial cream is so calming to the skin. It's not going to irritate your skin. It's just going to leave your skin flawless. Yeah guys, it's going to leave your skin flawless, and it's going to lighten up your skin in a natural way and in a step-by-step way. So guys, I'm adding my glutathione powder in a capsule form. Yeah guys, this is the supplement that I normally take. This is glutathione. So I'm adding the powder. If you have the powder, you can add the powder, but if you have the capsule form, you can add it also. And now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil, and I'm using 3 to 4 capsules. Vitamin E oil is going to expand the shelf life of this facial cream, and it's still going to fight wrinkles, and it's going to fight dark spots, it's going to fight pigmentation, it's going to fight fine lines. Yeah, and make sure to preserve your cream, guys. If you're giving it out or if you are selling it, make sure to preserve it. And even if you are the one using it, also make sure to preserve it. Yeah guys, make sure to preserve it, or you just have to do a little batch. Yeah, just do a little batch that you can use for like 2 weeks. Yeah, the minimum is 2 weeks. That is it guys. So but for this cream, this is 500 grams. Yeah, this is 500 grams, so I have to preserve it. And this cream, I'm also giving this cream out. Yeah guys, so if you're doing any job, make sure to do it in the perfect way. That is it. So guys, I'm done with my other stuff. I'm just going to add my rosemary fragrance oil. So after adding my rosemary fragrance oil, I'm just going to give it a stir and transfer this to my glass jar. So guys, hope you like this video. Contact me if you want any of my stuff, if you want to know where I buy my products, my materials. I'm not a selfish person. If you want to know where I get my materials, just write me up and I'm going to leave the link below my description box. So now I'm just going to make sure to give this a little bit stir. Yeah, so guys, this is so beautiful. I'm loving this. Wow. Okay guys, stay tuned. Down let me give this a little bit stir. Okay guys, now I'm just going to transfer this to my glass. So make sure to spray your bottles, wash them, soak them with hot water and spray them and wipe the alcohol out. Yeah, make sure to wipe the alcohol out. And this is it guys. Wow. This is so nice. So I'm just going to pour this into my little glass jar. So I don't know what name to give to this my facial cream. Should I call it melon facial cream? So guys, give it a name, but I'm still going to give it a name, but just give it a name. This is so beautiful. Yeah, this is natural, 100% natural. Yeah guys, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video guys. Follow me up on my Facebook, my Instagram, my Facebook page. And if you want any of my products, just inbox me guys. Stay tuned guys. I love you all, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, make sure to subscribe. Subscribing is free guys. It's free. You are not paying any money. It's just a way of supporting, helping our channel to grow. So stay tuned guys. I love you all. See you soon and bye bye.